If you don't have the Lucky Patcher, the MT Manager or the NP Manager 2 installed on your phone already, kindly do so right away, because those are the tools I'll be using in this video to remove the subscription and the premium features in the Photolab photo editor app. You can also remove subscription in any other photo editing app following the steps in this tutorial, but if these steps does not work for you, do not worry, as I will be dropping more tutorial videos on how to bypass a lot of photo editing apps out there. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so right away. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified of all our latest videos on this channel. So now, let's go. So now I'm going to open the Photolab app to show you the Pro feature in the app. So now navigate to the menu at the top left corner of the home page, and then scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you can see the Go Pro option there. So that means this account is currently on a free trial plan. So now let's look to remove the Pro feature. So now go back to your phone menu, locate and open your MT Manager app. Now go to the menu at the top left corner of the page, and then select Extract APK. After that, locate and select the Photolab app, and then select Extract APK. And now wait for the process to complete. So now select Locate. After that, select the Photolab app, and now select View. Now select the base.apk file and then click on Extract, click OK, and wait for this to complete. So after this, I'll go to my phone menu and locate my other MT Manager. You can also install multiple versions of the MT Manager on your phone. So I'm going to open it now. So I'm going to locate the app, MT2 apps. Now I'm going to select the base.apk file and then click on function, select the case signature verification, and now click OK. So here you have to wait for like a minute for this process to complete, but in this video I'm going to make this a little bit shorter than that. So now the process is complete. So now we have to delete the previous base.apk app. Select OK. Now I'm going to select the base_kill.apk file and rename it to be our new base.apk file. I'm going to erase the kill and the underscore, and now click OK. As you can see, it has been renamed. Now I'm going to go to my previous MT Manager, and now I'm going to click on the base.apk file and click on Add. Select OK. So now wait for the process to be complete. So now the base.apk file has been replaced. So now go back and then open your NP Manager. Open the folder where the app is located, APKs. Now scroll down and select the Photolab app. And now select Convert to APK, and then wait for the process to be completed. You can make sure your mobile data is on or you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. So now you can now close your NP Manager app and then go back to your MT Manager. Now scroll down and select the Photolab app and then select View. So now scroll down to look for the resources.arsc file and select it, and now select the ARSC editor. So now select the last line here where we have the funny photos, and on the list here select the line where we have the 7FOA ID. So on this page, select the three dotted line at the top right corner of the page and now select filter. So now you need to erase this and then type in BUY buy. So now select the line where we have the buy and then copy ID. After that, click the back button until you get to the source folder of the app. So now select the classes3.dex file and now select the DEX editor plus. So here click select all and then click OK. So now navigate to search from the option at the header of the page. Select start a new search, and here change the search type to integer. Click the option and then select integer from the list. So now I'm going to paste the ID I copied earlier to replace this premium. After that, I will select OK to search. So now select the CONSTV2 line under the main base activity, and here comes the most cunning part of this tutorial. So now scroll up or down to look for a line where we have the invoke static and a arrow pointing to either E1 or N. Okay, yeah, we have it here. So now select the E1 like you want to copy it, and now select the forward arrow. On this page also look for the line where we have the invoke static, but here we have the arrow pointing to N. Select the N like you want to copy it, and then select the forward navigation. So now here is what we are looking for. So we need to enter a code under the registers 15 as you are seeing on the screen. Kindly follow the steps carefully. So let me paste it from my clipboard. const/4v0ox1. So we need to enter another code which says return shift v0. So I think we made a mistake here. Erase the C, it's ox1. So now click on save. Click the back button and then save and exit to compile the classes.dex file. Now wait for this process to complete, and here select OK to sign the APK. And then after that, click the back button, and now the process is all done. Now select the Photolab app to install the app. So you need to uninstall the previous version and then install the new and modified version of the app. So after the installation is complete, now you can go back to your phone menu and then open the app. Before and after view of the app, you can notice a visible change in the options you have at the footer area of the app, and here you can see a lot of pro functions are being added to the app already. The special VIP editing function is also being unlocked in the app already. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly do so, as this motivates us to serve you even more and more better. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.